What is this? This is not done. How is this possible? I can put 100 people into trouble in 1 second. You want to see? All of us will be in big trouble if this goes on.
What should we do?
We have to
Silence.
No.
Sit down. If you keep on shouting like this, nothing will happen. First, we have to form an association. That association have to take all decision. Is it okay for you all?
That's okay for everyone.
Whatever it may be, we should be freed.
Hey, go away. Sir, don't include the people who got the bribery yesterday. Like us. They should have got it for a long time. I've prepared the list accordingly. Just see this.
Good. Shall I announce the leader of our association?
Tell us.
From the whom he is a politician. From the past 56 years, he was never caught by anyone. Brother APP Ayachami sir will be our new president.
Long live Ayaswamy.
Mariappan,
Long live Ayaswamy.
Rangaraju, Lakshmanan, VK Vijay Kumar, Basavaya, Anil Menon. Actually, I don't think so it will work. Okay, you go first. Our beloved Savitri.
Now only you do the right thing.
Tangishami, sit that side.
Don't worry dear, I'll be with you. I'll take care of all your problems. Hey, cooling glass, come here.
Sir?
Good morning, sir.
Sit here. It's just my experience. Don't worry, dear. I'll take care of it.
I'm Lakshmanan, judge.
Hello.
Yes. He has got suspension on the retirement date.
Did she ask you?
Yeah. We have to say that, right?
What problem is going on? Just look at there. It is in the design. That is happening.
We are happy, sir. You people are dead. Then why we have to worry?
Local RTO is ready to give some money. I'll go and get it now.
Hello, wait. For 2 rupees, why you're going there? I give 5 rupees.
Stupid, that is 2 lakhs. Hey, just move.
Hey,
What
what did you think? How many people are supporting you? Do you know? If we are held, they will also be convicted. They're pouring money on us.
Actually, the court has given time for us to defend ourselves and prove, right?
Yeah.
Even though what he did is forgery only.
Yes.
Actually, we have to appoint her as a president.
First, we will all individually file a case against him. 147 case. Only if he remains inside, we can think of ways to come out of this.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Arrest warrant has come.
I won't surrender myself. When the real verdict is out, I'll surrender myself. Gopi sir, you folk can go.
Sure. It's very safe to be inside the jail.
I won't die, sir. My hard work will not go in vain.
You are the first person to put a case against your own father.
I am not like that.
You should have told me before and I would have been careful, isn't
He
it?
might not have caught now. But after some time.
What are you talking? Don't talk nonsense. The food and the clothes and the shelter, everything he was the person who earned it.
Tell that he earned. Don't say that he suffered. If this is all out of dirty money, my body burns.
I'll stab you into pieces, mind that. How dare you could talk like
What's the
that?
fear for me? Has this house ever been a home? Did our father was a good dad? It was like a military only. Father is there, don't laugh. Father is there, don't run. Too many rules. He has committed mistakes in office. The guilty feeling has reflected in home. You can act like you are afraid, but I have no need for that.
Shut your mouth. I will never say that you're my daughter. Get out from here. Never step into this house again.
I know that you will come to that point. I'll go. I'll say I'm an orphan. Here, your husband's hard-earned money.
Sister, we'll also come.
There's only a couple of routes. One is Arvind Swamy shouldn't be there. Another one is we should prove that fake guy is really there. We should do the second thing only. That's safe for us. That's
How
right.
can we do that?
There is way.
Yes. There is a route. Definitely there should be a way. Yes? Hey doctor, go and sit there.
What, sir? Why can't you go and sit there?
What wrong you're talking with these people? Get up.
I will leave this premises.
Please get out. Tell me dear, what's the way?
One way.
Go and consult with a good doctor. No, you say the way.
Arvind has submitted full evidence in court. We have to retrieve those details. In that photo, identity will be there. We have to find a person resembling that and create a new evidence and produce him in court.
If we do so, how it will be solved? He has originals of all video, audio with him.
To prove anything in our country will take minimum 20 years.
Then nothing to worry. I'll definitely die before that.
Whoever is disproving Arvind is not here. Let us prove he's there. Let us change the case.
Then we will say that we are not in that video, okay? We'll lie to everyone.
Sir, judge is a very honest man. It's very difficult.
There should be someone like you. Just pick him.
You will have to spend a lot of money. Is it okay?
We shall give lot of money. Just go ahead. Harichandran. Just see the photograph in the ID proof now.
Sir, it's him only with a little bit of modification.
We have to find a person resembling this photo.
How will we find a person looking like him?
What are you looking at? Ask them to search in every state. Plenty of government databases there. If we want, we can do.
We have been caught and you are all not. That's what the difference. Please help us.
Where he is now? Andhra. Rajamandri. Name? Narasimha Reddy. Operation TAK.
All those people are going to Andhra. It is their name only.
Yes?
We have to meet Narasimha Reddy, sir.
And you?
Arivanandam.
Ganga Raj.
Basavaya.
Anil Menon.
You have come separated or come together?
We are all came together only.
They will fight for everything. Even they don't give for drinking water. But in this case, they will be together.
The 5 elements are common for all the lives on earth. To possess them separately, you will suffer in God's curse.
She is talking about you only.
Just say like that.
She also mentioned you. Don't behave like a gentleman.
Bye, sister.
Excuse me?
Huh?
What are you to Mr. Reddy, sir?
Distant relative.
Oh.
Hey, don't run. Come here.
Excuse me. How are you related to Reddy?
All the persons staying here are all related to Reddy. Mind your job.
Even you.
Guys!
Tell me. I cannot decide for myself. There's somebody inside. I'll ask him and tell you. Hey, where are you going?
First, have to attend the tailoring class. After that, I have to go to the market and buy vegetables for everybody. Then, have to go buy medicines.
Okay, take care. Hey. Okay, go.
Darling!
Huh? Hey, Jasmine! Why did you come so soon?
I don't like him. He's a thief.
Hey, I'm here, no? Huh? You have to live happily, okay? Come on, my dear. Don't cry. Come. I'll kill everybody.
See what a life he is leading. It's tremendous. Stop it.
I want to meet all the 147 person. Ask them to come here.
Actually, we are the representative of the...
Hey! You... Go.
Hey, what happened? You people are here without him now?
He is asking all of us to come there.
For what?
You are the president, you ask him.
Hey, can't you convince him there?
He's not allowing to talk.
He is not a single man. There is somebody inside. He's telling and he's conveying it to us.
Then you should have met him, right?
You come and meet him.
Yes, for everything the leader has to come and talk. Hey, what have you done after going
2
there?
times opened his mouth and closed.
Mouth? Sir, don't play. He's serious. Just plan to start their festival. Hello? Huh. Okay. It's all because of your daughter. It has gone till Andhra.
I will also go.
How will you go? It's not like before. Everybody knows your face. We'll get caught.
I will go. I want to meet him. I won't allow him to come here.
Don't believe the minister. He used to cry in the critical situation. On that day in live telecast, he cried. Then, what you bought to eat? Some rice and fish curry? What a combination. It's a,
Hey doctor, sit there. Are you here to create problem? I'll kill you. Until we reach Rajamandri, it's my duty to watch you alone.
Are you a principal for me? Go to the back seat and have a sound sleep.
I won't sleep.
I will not sleep at all.
We can sleep peacefully.
Yes, you sleep. Okay, when you both sat together
First
here...
wake him up.
Hello, be quiet, man.
Why should I shut up? You only called the trouble.
What?
Who's that?
Not you, President. How can I tell you? I was talking about someone there.
Mr. Clean. Inside everything is waste. Why you're looking? You and me are same. 500 or 5,000. Everything is same now. Everybody Mohan. You are not stop crying. You do only minor mistakes.
I even not bothered when I caught, but I am unable to bear his torture.
It is in the design. He's speaking.
He's another torture.
His name is Narasimha Reddy. He's not just an ordinary person. He's supporting Andhra politics from the underground. He will do anything for money. These people doesn't have any other way. They will definitely convince him to bring him here. Again, I'm telling you, he's not just an ordinary person. You have to be careful. Just talk to him and don't allow him to come here. Police is keenly searching for you. Be careful. After crossing Andhra border, you will get the ambulance from that state.
Okay, sir.
Hey, why he's calling one by one and what he's doing?
He is scanning everybody, sir.
I can see animal instinct in you.
Such a close look will only show that.
Hey!
Hello, boss. Everyone is king in their place. Stop playing now. Tell us the deal.
I cannot decide for myself. There's somebody inside. I'll go and ask him. Brother!
Why can't you meet that guy who is inside? He only controlling him,
How
right?
can we see? He's not allowing us.
What shall I do now?
He is back.
Per head 10 lakhs. Total 147%. 14.7 crores. If you give, I'll come.
This is not fair.
Yes, definitely. Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, I'm telling you guys. Just listen. Whoever got high amount, just give it to the person who has got low amount. We will definitely settle down now. Just listen my words. Sit down now. We have to be united now. Idiot. Hey, what shall we do now?
We'll give. Finish the issue.
Okay. We have decided to give that amount now.
Hey, what you...
We will give the money. What's next?
I'll tell you. Mr. Arivanandam, tomorrow from Sri Paramutur, one Mr. Shekhar will call you. In whatever name he mentions, you take 2 crores DD on that name. And then, don't call back the number he tries to call you. You should not try to find who he is and do some research, okay? I won't. Anil, brother.
Tell me.
From Thiruvananthapuram, one Mr. Kunjappan will call you. You have to take demand draft for 2 crores in whatever name he says. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Gangaraju sir, from our Karnool, you will get a call. In that name, DD. Take and send it. That's it. Mr. Baswaya,
Sir.
from Mysore, you will get a call. And then 2 crores. Take demand draft and send it to me. Close your mouth. And then, whoever I mention has to do that job. The rest is 6.7. And you have to take demand draft in the name I mention. And the rest I need in cash, the 2000 rupees bundle. It should come in black color bag and not black money should come. Ah?
What is this, President?
He's irritating us.
Is it Narasimha Reddy's house?
Yes.
Is he there?
Yes, he's inside.
Nisha,
Huh? He looks
Go
exactly
inside.
like Reddy.
I'm asking you to go inside. What do you want?
I want to meet Narasimha Reddy.
No such person here. Please go.
Now only they said he's there. Call him. I need to talk.
Oof! I said no. Please leave.
He should not come to Chennai. If he comes, issue will get
Do you
bigger.
want me to call the police?
Please try to understand. Please call him out. Please understand.
Go away.
I won't leave him. Hey! Hey!
Where are you going?
I need to meet him.
Are you insane? We are talking a big deal. It will go waste.
Give me the phone.
Hey, that Aravind is here in Andhra. You people are searching there. Just come to Andhra.
Come inside, brother. I was very eager that there won't be any change. I think everything is gonna be waste. How criminally they are working for. How many of them were supporting them, you know? If they get that ready here, finish. They will change everything. Bloody fellows. Tomorrow is the settlement.
Where's the DD?
Here it is.
Good. We'll meet in Chennai.
Just tell us when you will come there.
Huh?
When?
No private school is getting the government fee. Even they are not giving the bill for that amount. They are asking for donation too. Even my daughter studying in the same school. I have amount for paying the fees, but not for donation purpose. If I change my daughter from that school, she will be worried. For that purpose, I got money illegally. Now my daughter is not talking to me. Even my family is not talking to me. Why should I leave? Don't think that we are doing the mistake for only one time. Then your decision will be mine.
Come on! Come on! Hey! Hey! Come on! Hey, what is your problem? Cool, cool, cool. Okay, come on, come on! Hey! Go, go, go! Hey! 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 Leave me! Leave me! You should not come, sir! You should not come, sir! Hey! You should not go! You should not go! You should not go!
What's happening here? What's happening? We have found a guy and Aravind is coming in search of him. How come? How come? Who is giving the news? Who? The police has taken him away. Don't worry. Just leave. What, sir, are you playing now? It's our life. Is it a comedy crowd? We have to beat. It should be a pain for him. He shouldn't come to us again. He has got a mom, right? Yes. Let us take her. Babu!
We have looked out all over Tamil Nadu. His mother is nowhere to be found.
That girl hugged in the CBI office, right? Let's take her.
No.
Why? Why no? Why we shouldn't? Tell me. Why? She is my daughter.
Let us beat him. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him.
Hello? Oh my god. Oh my god.
What happened, Mom?
Hey, get up. Get up, you scoundrel. Get up.
Mom,
Get
why
out
you
of my
torturing me
house.
like this?
No, get out of my house. Get out of my house. Get away from here. Who's this? Who do you want?
Where is your
Nobody's
daughter?
here.
Where's the daughter?
No.
Who said that?
Nobody's
She's
here.
not here.
Just believe me.
Come, come.
No.
She may have been escaped.
No, no, please.
Let us
No,
catch
please,
her.
then I'm telling you.
Don't
no.
let her get away.
Hello.
Come on.
Hey, who the hell are you?
Why are you taking time? Kill her fast.
I'll kill you on the roads for chasing a girl to this extent, you scoundrel! I'm not a person who will sleep after retirement. I will keep an eye on every scoundrel like you here. I will now take care of you.
I'm going back to Chennai again.
When are you coming back?
We took the payment. We have to do our job, right? You take care. Hey! Whose house is this?
Our MP's second wife's home.
Is the third, fourth, and fifth?
No, no, no. After wife, only her. She's like his eyes.
Let's watch that eyes also. Ha,
Oh,
Greetings.
please. Oh, please come inside. It's our home only. Just look at the marbles. I brought it from Italy. You couldn't get it here. Your room is in the upstairs.
All
Go.
facilities are there, right?
Super room. It's a new
Okay,
room.
go.
Come on.
Is this that I? How are you? What's your name?
Ganga.
Huh?
Pouring Ganga.
That means you're from Kakinada?
Ah, of course. How did you recognize? You're also from my native, isn't it?
They are distant relatives. But now we are really close enough.
Oh my god, you really talk very well.
Hey, distant relative.
Is it so? Okay, go upstairs.
Funny fellow.
Hey, go inside.
Don't show your anger. I feel like laughing.
Laughing.
Listen, boss.
What?
Just accept whatever he says. Don't say no to him at all.
Why?
Listen to me. We are not in the age to compete with you. He's not that category of a man. He's a prestigious man. We have paid you and you have come to work here. Just do the job what you want to do.
Sir, I won't go in search of anything.
If it comes towards you? What is this? He's putting his signature.
You should take care of your own personal belongings.
Why are you chasing me like this?
There is a reason for that. Go to your mother's home now. I'll come and
What
pick you
is
later.
your problem? Tell me.
Everything is problem here only.
That is what I'm asking.
You are the big problem. Get out.
Me?
Go.
A problem?
Go now.
What is
Go.
this? What are you talking?
Just leave from here. Shut your mouth.
Listen.
Just shut. Go. Go.
How they are trying to save their second wives. Shit.
And how are you? I'm really scared.
Nothing will happen to me. You stay in Walter Sir's house.
How
that is
is
safe for
it
you.
possible?
That's really possible here. You can do anything here with money.
Thanks a lot, sir.
It's my duty.
They are trying to change Reddy to Harichandran now. They are torturing those 3 person who helped us here. If we win, then only we can save them. Else, they will kill everyone, including us.
Can we prove that?
Law needs evidence only. They are preparing very strongly that. So this contains all details about Harichandran.
You should forget your original identity.
If anyone asks you, you should tell the new name and new identity.
To teach the language for you, we have organized a teacher.
A senior lawyer will teach you what to talk, how to talk in the court.
Personality development, body language will be taught by a person. You have to follow whatever he says.
Then there is an important...
I'll be ready. I don't need anybody. Till I call you, nobody should enter this place. Now everybody can leave.
Yes. He will take care. Everyone leave from here.
Hey, that includes you also. Go.
He is a clever guy. it
Sautri,
seems.
shall we go for a dinner today?
I'm not interested.
Chaudhary,
Thank you.
you just stay here.
Good design.
They don't have brains. Are you not an intellectual? Person in your own office helped Arvind. First search them and catch 4 of them.
You just come to the court. We'll speak all over there.
Daddy,
Yes?
let me also come to the court.
No. Let it be Arvindan or whoever has helped him. Everybody's position is very critical now. We should try to save him now. Even you are in trouble. Instead of you coming there, I think you'll be better here. Just take care.
What is your name?
Harishchandran,
What have you studied?
BTech Sarojini Engineering College.
What's your work?
I'm still searching for a job.
What's your dad's name?
Uday Chandran.
Mother's name?
Mani Megalai.
Date of birth?
26/8/1985.
Place of birth?
Chandragiri.
School you studied?
Till 5th standard, I studied in Sri Murugan Matriculation School. Up to +2, I studied in Government High Secondary School, Vandarankudi.
Are you married?
No.
What's your residential address?
Number 37, Govindan Street, Metupatti Post, Chandragiri Taluk.
What's your caste? Place where you got the caste certificate?
Vandarankudi.
Place of driving license issuance?
Vanjipuram.
Ration card issuance place?
Vandarankudi.
Place you got the passport?
Malaikotai.
Date?
5/11/2006.
Have you attempted for rape?
Yes,
That girl is here only. Can you identify her?
that girl. That girl, sir.
You have got the arrest warrant, don't you know that?
I'm ready to accept it, sir. Hey!
Arvind, we lost.
Honorable Judge, sir. 1 second. I've said whatever they taught me to say. Can I talk some truth now? There's somebody inside. I'll ask him and come. Tell me.
There is no guy inside the house, he said about himself.
Hey, not only inside me, with everybody there is somebody inside, and he always speaks the truth. He's saying till now whatever I did is a mistake, and he's scolding for me. When he scolds, I listen, because if I kill him, I'll become an animal. Half of them here are like that only, huh? What, brother? Only your state is infested with corruption? Isn't in my state? Hey, the entire country is stinking now. Wherever we turn, there is betrayal. But you stood up at the right time. If I don't support you now, it's a big curse. Sir, whatever I said was false, sir. My original name is Narasimha Reddy and my age is 42. My father's name is Samarasimha Reddy, mother is Annapurani. My birthplace is Rajamundri, my birth date is 26/8/1971. I studied BA Psychology and my job is taking care of helpless people and feed them daily. That is the truth. They destroyed my real identity and changed me as Harichandran. I got bribed. Per head 10 lakhs, sir. Threatening a bad person and getting money is not a mistake, sir. But I didn't take even single penny out of it. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra. I started orphanage in all those states and I'm feeling proud about it, sir. And you to have that blessing, brother. Because of you, everything happened. Blaming others is just a cheating job, sir. Our own laziness, genius thoughts and selfishness. This is the grassroots for corruption, sir. There are 7 crore people in this state. Out of that, 1 crore people are working for you. They are also human, sir. If a paper needs 15 days to get ready, you have to give that space, sir. You're not giving it. You're approaching in the last minute, going in the wrong ways. To enter in a government office, you need a broker. To book a train ticket, you are searching for an agent. To enter a police station, you are searching for ward and division, and that's searching. That searching is corruption. First, we have to change. Lot of crimes happened in the last 6 months. Not even a single case has got a judgment. At least for this case, give the verdict clearly and boldly, sir. Entire nation's future is in your verdict, sir. Court is the last weapon for democracy. I believe.
In this case, all the 147 accused, without any kind of inquiry, this court acquits all of them. From now on, the accused or their families will never get any kind of benefits from the government or the government schemes. They lose their voting rights too. Their Indian citizenship stands cancelled from today. India is a young state. In India, 50% of population is below the age of 30. They are our country's future. Their beliefs should not be destroyed. If a good man fights for justice, all other good men will join them one by one. This case is dismissed. You both are free to go.
Peter, connect the line. Connect the line immediately.
Hey! How many days we are going to be like this? This is our problem. They are just hundreds. We are thousands. Beat them! Hey! This is what I was expecting. We have won this fight. We won!
Why are you taking my watch? Give me watch. My watch. My watch.
Hey, don't take me chain, man. Hey, I'm a judge, man. Don't take me classes. I can't read.
Hey, my chain! Oh my god!
From where we get this? Going to be placed in the same place. Let that man get away! He stabbed him! Renee! Get him! Ambulance! Ambulance! Call the ambulance! Call the ambulance now! Nothing will happen to you. Where are you taking me? Let's go to the hospital. To do what?
I gone there. What are you saying? There should be a meaning for our living. I believe I have it now. You live how you wanted to live. Don't change yourself for anybody, okay? Ready? Hey. Hey. Ready? Why did you come? Why did you
Let the court give any verdict. There is a verdict out of the court also. We'll save it. Say yes, and we'll decide it. Just say yes, Arvind.
ACI, Anti-Corruption India. Within 24 hours of starting this organization, 2 crores 75 lakhs and 6,000 people have become members. Not only Indians but non-resident Indians have joined this organization.
In this organization, everyone is a cadre, everyone is a leader. At any situation, it will not become a political
This
party.
organization will strive for to bring a change in an individual's mentality, and that is the motto of this organization. This was told to us by the organizers Arvind Sivasamy and Walter Thiruvasagam. Next is our election news. In the recent sensational assembly elections, the party which got the majority took the oath, and the CM announced an extraordinary decision. All the pending corruption cases of this state and have been looked into, and a total of 63,000 people have been dismissed. This is an unprecedented decision. It's a great step towards a bright future. Corruption cases will be dealt with an iron hand. There was a new enactment in this regard. The government's top salaries were raised by 3 times. Rupees 43,000 crores have been allocated to computerize all the government offices. The agents and touts who stand outside government offices are banned. First time in the history of Tamil Nadu, a man who gave bribe was beaten. The entire government mechanism has changed for good. In the last 6 months, Tamil Nadu has become the best state. It ranks as number 1.